we have a garage. Hello and welcome back to the channel. We've got some very exciting news that we are thrilled to be sharing with you all. Basically, we're opening a garage.
The journey to establish a new business, especially one as specialized as a garage, is filled with challenges and decisions that can make or break its future. One of the toughest tasks is finding a location that isn't just a place to operate, but a strategic hub that complements the team's vision. It's a balancing act. Too far out of the way, and the customer base dwindles. Too cramped, and the workflow suffers. And let's not forget the essential infrastructure like the two car lifts.
This is ideal.
Finding a unit that checks all these boxes isn't just challenging, it's a mission.
Could this be the one? Who knows? Pretty amazing specs. So, could be good. We'll see.
For not doing retail, for going for...
No, we don't.
No, we don't need that.
No, you do. As far as I mean, retail, there's hundreds.
Yep.
There's a true thing.
Yep.
If it was just storage, then you don't require the retail.
Right.
So we're at garage number 2, potentially, North Walsham. Yes. Looks like it could be big enough though, so...
After surveying various units, the team finally stumbled upon a gem in North Walsham. Though not a sprawling space, the location couldn't be more ideal. It's situated on a main road leading into a bustling town. In the world of business, they say location is everything, and this spot offers visibility and accessibility, two crucial factors for success.
This is the one. North Walsham. Here we are. Check out this. We're just doing a bit of measuring up, so we can... Like, all of this stuff is not ours, so all this is going to be going. But check this out. It's our unit. So we're measuring up for a lift and all bits and pieces, see what we can fit in here. So we're hoping we can fit 2 lifts in this area, but we're just gonna, we'll start with 1. But we think we can get 2 lifts in this area, so mad, absolutely crazy, but this is the start, this is the beginning. It's gonna be a journey.
Securing the unit in North Walsham was only the first hurdle. The team had to wait a couple of weeks for it to be cleared out. But every cloud has a silver lining. The wait provided a golden opportunity to find a key piece in the new garage's puzzle, the mechanic. Who better to fill that role than Tom, Rock Up Racing's own race team mechanic? With experience stretching from Red Bull Racing to Mercedes-AMG Petronas F1 teams, and a first-class honors degree in mechanical engineering, Tom was the missing piece that completed the team.
So we've got our own garage. Look at this bad boy. Well, it's not really a garage yet. It's a big empty room. But this is going to be Coastal Cars and Motorsport. I'm so excited.
Finally inside the unit, the team faced a new intricate challenge, fitting two two-post lifts into the garage. It's not as simple as just installing them. The layout must also accommodate the flow of cars driving into the bays. With the unit's narrow dimensions, striking the perfect balance became a jigsaw puzzle that would require some serious ingenuity.
So we can't.
No.
So what we need to do is set where the front ramp's going to go, mark it,
Yeah.
and then reverse your truck in.
Right. So we're going through so many different ideas. Thinking maybe two next to each other like that would work quite well. Leave us all this space here for activities.
After a meticulous process of measuring and repeatedly moving vehicles in and out to gauge the available maneuvering space, the team finally settled on a layout. With the blueprint in hand, they took the exciting step of ordering the lifts, inching ever closer to making the garage fully operational.
Is that ramp? Right.
10 minutes?
To build it, it'd be easy, mate.
With the first lift arriving at the unit, the team wastes no time getting to work on the assembly. Racing veteran Ray, the patriarch of the rock-up racing legacy, even swings by to lend a hand. Joining to help the crew with the build is Ash, a skilled mechanic and good friend of the team from Norfolk. The pressure is on. A customer is already eager to book their car in for service. As each bolt is tightened and each cable connected, the team realizes that this lift is more than just a piece of equipment. It's the first building block in their exciting new venture.
Here we go.
Done it. Great success.
So this is the Azure that we're going to be working on in the garage. So this bad boy has a exhaust manifold problem, so we're going to get this back to the shop and see if we can find out what's going on. There you go. Right, what do you need to do? Stick that
Wow.
up there.
Those things tip out.
Stay there. Leave that here.
Yeah, this bit.
Yes, mate, and thank you for
sad,
pointing
isn't
that
it?
out.
Is that what the squirrel did?
Fucking
I reckon so.
bastard. Are the keys in it?
Yeah.
Are the keys in the car?
Yeah.
So do you want to hear it?
Yeah. Taking that exhaust manifold out with the engine in is going to be a nightmare. That is tight.
When it warms up, that noise doesn't completely disappear, but you still feel in London like you're driving a London taxi.
The team certainly isn't shying away from challenges, taking in a Bentley Azure for repairs even before the garage is fully operational. But there's an upside to diving in head first like this. It serves as a real-time test, revealing any gaps in their setup and what additional tools or equipment they might need. It's a baptism by fire, aimed at preparing them for the official opening of the garage. As they navigate these early hurdles, it's becoming clear that this garage is setting itself up to handle anything that comes its way.
How heavy is this car?
2.8 tons.
Nice.
While they juggle the intricacies of repairing the Bentley, the team is also multitasking on installing the second lift. This particular lift is designated as the service ramp, engineered for quick ins and outs, ideal for routine checkups and shorter-term work. On the other hand, the rear lift, where the Bentley is currently stationed, is earmarked for long-haul projects. Think race cars, engine swaps, and ground-up builds.
So let's. You need to get a tour. You need a tour. So you enter, and there's Robert. There's a race car, and here's a garage dog. So we've got some pictures of the cars on the wall, the race cars. Got some trophies up there. Some Bernie's
posters from the races that we've done. They're pretty badass. And then over here is the first job that we got in, a Bentley. We like the Bentley, don't we, Robert? We like to break ourselves in gently, so we started with a Bentley Azure, which has a exhaust leak. So that's great, but that's getting fixed. So here's a little workstation here. So it's slowly coming together now. Almost ready to open.
As the garage inches closer to its grand opening, there's a palpable sense of anticipation in the air. The final touches are almost in place, from the immaculately organized tool chests to the lifts standing at attention. Now, all that's left is the proverbial cherry on top, putting up the sign and announcing their services online. Coastal Motorsport, as it's proudly named, will not just be any ordinary garage. From general servicing, repairs, and fault diagnosis, to more specialized operations like vehicle upgrades, they have all bases covered. And for the speed aficionados out there, they even offer bespoke motorsport services, giving customers a full spectrum of options under one roof. The journey to this point has been thrilling, and the team at Rock Up Racing can't wait to turn the key and open the doors to their latest venture. As the team at Coastal Motorsport puts the final touches on the Bentley Azure, they drive it back to its owner, Matt. His delighted reaction sets the tone for what the garage stands for: exceptional service and happy customers. This delivery doesn't just mark a job well done, it officially inaugurates Coastal Motorsport. It's a promising start to a new chapter in automotive care.